Farm chores with Uncle Tom and Tony. Uncle Tom and Tony feed the ducks. Tom feeds the fish. They milk the cow. Uncle Tom milks the goat. Tony brushes the horse. Great work on the farm today!